guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily mask stickers on CapCut PC. So I am just going to find one that I want. Let's see, maybe like this one, because there's a heart shape that I can mask. So I'm just going to scale it down a little bit. Once you're done with that, I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, go to video, go to mask, and I'm going to select the heart shape. Then I'm going to just simply select the reverse button, and I'm just going to place it on the sticker. And now it's kind of like transparent, so like you can kind of see through it now. So if I added like this bunny, for instance, it's going to show behind it. I'm going to place one here, and I'm going to like place one on top like that, and I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to create compound clip, and I'm going to like make it like a mask, so it looks like it's popping out of that like rabbit house. It's more like a birdhouse, but it's fine. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!